The Michelin Guide Tokyo 2025, shining the highest number of Michelin stars in the world, is out. Let's explore them together. Let's head over to Playa in Takadanobaba for some tonkatsu. Different types of panko are used depending on the main ingredients, and some items are fried in lado, while others are fried in sesame oil. Ramen Matsui is a popular ramen shop run by a husband and wife. They create rich aromas by combining soy sauce, salt, and dried sardines with chicken and seafood broth. No visit to Tokyo is complete without some sushi. Head to stunning sushi restaurant Sushi Mikata, where you can order your favorite sushi by the piece. Don't forget to order the tamagoyaki, which is a hit with customers. Enjoy French regional cuisine at Le Nougat in Ginza with red benches, French movie posters, and the pleasant sounds of chanson music. Here you can enjoy the atmosphere of Parisian bistro in the heart of Tokyo. Got a favorite? Check out the full selection on our website or app. Don't forget to leave the comment below.